Hi guys, before I start today, I just want to say thank you. Thank you everyone for your continued support. We've made it to 1,000 subscribers and it's before the end of the year. So guys, I really appreciate it, right? I really appreciate all my old subscribers and my new subscribers. Guys, thank you for loving the content enough to actually subscribe, right? I remember when I started in Feb this year and I was unsure of what I was trying to do. All I knew was, you know what, I just wanted to promote TWI. That's about it. So what I did was I stood in front of the camera, which I was terrified of. I've come a long way. It's now 42 videos and I've reached 1,000 subscribers because I've been asking for it, right? So guys, again, I just want to say thank you. This was way above my expectations, so I really appreciate it. So on that note, I decided to multiply it by 10. So guys, I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. That sounds a bit far-fetched, but so was 1,000, right? With that, again, guys, thank you. Let's start the lesson. Hi guys, welcome to Learning TWI the Fun Way with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and for today's lesson, we have a few translations for 4 different people. So the first person that wanted something translated was Christopher. Christopher, thanks for sending your comments through. So what Christopher wanted to know was what's anyways in TWI. So as a result, he sent me a sentence that had anyways in it, right? And this is what the sentence was. Anyways, let's talk about something else, right? Now, in that context, anyways would be eye, right? Eye in TWI is basically saying fine. Now, remember, if I'm talking to somebody and I say, anyways, let's talk about something else, I'm basically brushing them off so that we can actually talk about something else, get on to another topic, right? So in this case, we can use eye as anyways, right? And for let's talk about something else, that in TWI is yɛnka biribi foforɔ, which is let's speak about something else, or literally let's talk about something else. So the full sentence would be eye yɛnka biribi foforɔ. Again, eye yɛnka biribi foforɔ, where eye would be anyways. And the next person that wanted something translated was Lionel. Lionel, thank you for your continued support. And these are the things that Lionel wanted to know. The first thing that Lionel wanted to know was, I appreciate the encouragement I have received from you. And that in TWI is, menya nkoranhyɛ menya firii. Again, menya nkoranhyɛ menya firii. And the next thing that Lionel wanted to know was, I appreciate all the encouragement you have given me. And that in TWI can be said as, menya nkoranhyɛ wodehyɛɛ. Again, menya nkoranhyɛ wodehyɛɛ. And the next person that needed something translated was Axel. Axel, thank you for your support. So Axel wanted to know 2 things. The first thing that Axel wanted to know was how to say red onion and white onion. So red onion is Gyeene kɔkɔɔ, Gyeene kɔkɔɔ, and white onion is Gyeene fitaa, Gyeene fitaa. And I remember that Gift also left a comment asking me that, is kɔkɔɔ also ripe plantain? Yes, ripe plantain is also called kɔkɔɔ or bodeɛ abre, but we call it kɔkɔɔ. So kɔkɔɔ can represent ripe plantain or the color red. So the next thing that Axel wanted to know was, Axel wanted to know what Mema means, right? Mema is actually good afternoon in English. Mema is good afternoon, but we usually cut it short and just say Maaha. So Maaha and Mema is actually the same thing. It's good afternoon. And the next person that wanted something translated was Juju. Thanks again for your continued support. And these are the things that Ju wanted to know. The first thing that Ju wanted to know was switch on the light. And that in TWI can be said as so kanea no. Again, so kanea no. And the next thing that Ju wanted to know was, will you come back before going to grandpa? And that in TWI can be said as Wobɛba ansa woakɔ Nanabarima. Again, Wobɛba ha ansa woakɔ Nanabarima ho. So basically, Wobɛba ha is, are you going to come here? Ansa before woakɔ Nanabarima ho, before you go to grandpa's. Nanabarima is actually grandpa. So guys, that's it for this week's lesson. Thanks again guys. We've reached 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it, right? And from now on, I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. Hopefully that works. I'll try and push as hard as I can. So what I would actually appreciate from you guys is, if you can, right, please continue spreading the word. Let anyone who wants to learn TWI or find out about TWI come to this channel. And hopefully if they go through the content, they'll actually like it enough to actually subscribe to the channel. And remember guys, if you watch the content of the channel and you enjoy it, right, please click on the like button. Please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button for future notifications. And remember guys, the coronavirus, it's not about you, it's about the next person. So please do take care of yourself so the other person will be safe as well. And please guys, for the TWI Junior Pro app, it's less than $1. It's on Google Store. Please go grab it. With that and these lessons, you learn TWI quicker. From me, Kwesi, till next time, I really appreciate each and every one of you. Goodbye.